Hello children, good morning. Children, today we shall be taking Hindi lesson 9 Kachwa or Gilehri. Okay, till here we have completed, right? Till this page number 55. So everyone open page number 56. Kachwa or Gilehri, the tortoise and the squirrel. This story is very familiar to you guys, right? I think this story has come in another shade. The concept of the story is same, but there are different kind of animals. Like in the previous story which I heard, that was about one crocodile and I think it was some rabbit. No, not rabbit, monkey. Okay, monkey and crocodile. This one was very familiar story, and that he had modified into some another animals, but the concept of the story is same. Okay, there was a pond. Okay, so nearby to that pond there was a big tree, blackberry fruit tree. Okay, you know what is blackberry? I'll show you. So this is a fruit known as blackberry. Okay children, I think you guys all are familiar with this fruit. Yes. So there was a pond, and nearby to that pond there was a tree, a blackberry tree. Blackberries are known as jamun in Hindi, and on that tree one squirrel used to live. Okay, and below to that tree tortoise used to live in the water. As you all know, the tortoise can live in the water as well as on the land. So sometimes it used to swim in the water, and another time it used to rest on the land. So nearby to that tree, the tortoise and the squirrel used to play. They were very great and thick friends. There was a great friendship among them. So what had happened so that they broke their friendship? We will be seeing. Every one of y'all open page number 56. तालाब के किनारे जामुन का एक पेड़ था. So there was a tree nearby to the river bank near pond. उस पेड़ पर एक गिलहरी रहती थी. उसी तालाब में एक मोटा कछुआ रहता था. So there not only one squirrel used to live on the tree, but also one tortoise used to live in the water of the pond. That tortoise was male. Okay, male tortoise, mota. It was very fat. कछुए और गिलहरी के बीच गहरी मित्रता थी. They were very thick friends. बारिश के मौसम में जामुन पकने लगे तो कछुए का मन ललचाया. उसने गिलहरी से कहा, क्या तुम मुझे जामुन नहीं खिला सकती? Now during the rainy season, बारिश के मौसम में means during the rainy season, the jamuns, that means the blackberries were ripened, and there were lot of blackberries on the tree. By seeing the blackberries, ripened blackberries, very tasty, they look very delicious. By seeing that one, the kachwa, that means the tortoise, was like, he was feeling to eat all the blackberries. So he asked to the squirrel, will you please give me some of the blackberries? I just wanted to eat some. So गिलहरी कछुए की मीठी मीठी बातों में आ गई. So it got convinced. The squirrel got convinced. Why not? Definitely I am going to eat. तो कछुए को मीठे मीठे जामुन देने लगी. Every day it used to give some of the blackberries to the tortoise. कछुआ जामुन खाता और अपने बच्चों के लिए भी ले जाता. So tortoise used to eat some of the blackberries, and it used to also take to his kids, little kids. कछुए की पत्नी जामुन खाकर बहुत खुश होती. वह गिलहरी की प्रशंसा भी करती. Not only the kids of the tortoise used to eat, but also the wife of the tortoise also used to eat, and it used to praise the squirrel. Wow, your friend is so nice. She is giving you, he or she, I don't know. The squirrel is giving you so much delicious this one blackberries. I am very much fond of her. She is so nice. एक दिन कछुए की पत्नी ने गिलहरी को तेजी से भागते हुए पेड़ पर चढ़ते देख लिया. One day what happened? This continued every day. A squirrel used to give the blackberries to the tortoise, and tortoise used to eat some and take home to their family, his wife and as well as his children. So one day what happened? Tortoise wife has seen the squirrel, the same squirrel who was jumping and hopping. The squirrel used to run. Of course, we have seen the squirrel, how fast it will jump from here and there, right children? So it was very fast, it was like climbing the tree. By seeing that, it was shocked. The wife of the tortoise was shocked and was like amazed by seeing the speed of the squirrel. उसने कछुए से कहा, मैं गिलहरी की तरह तेज दौड़ना चाहती हूँ. Now she have told to her husband, even I wanted to run fast like your friend. अगर मैं इस गिलहरी को मार कर खा लूँ तो ये सारे गुण मुझ में आ जाएंगे. आप किसी तरह गिलहरी को मेरे पास लेके आओ. Now she went to the husband and said, I wanted to become very fast runner like a squirrel. If I kill the squirrel and eat, then even whatever the qualities she have, that all qualities I will be also getting. You go and bring that squirrel. I wanted to eat, I wanted to kill it, I wanted to eat it. कछुआ गिलहरी के पास गया और बोला, मैं चाहता हूँ कि आज तुम मेरी पीठ पर बैठकर तालाब की सैर करो. सच में बड़ा मज़ा आएगा. गिलहरी उसकी बातों में आ गई. Now it cannot keep the proposal directly in front of the squirrel, right? If my wife wanted to eat you, come, I wanted to take you to home. He did not say. Instead, he said, see, anyhow I'm bathing in the pond. I will make you also to swim in the pond. It's better you sit on my back and I will be swimming and you can enjoy the water, cool water. So the squirrel also got like impressed, and she was also thinking that maybe that is true, even I can enjoy the water, because squirrel cannot go inside the water, no, it will die if it doesn't know swim. So it went and sat on the back of the tortoise. कछुआ उसे अपनी पीठ पर बैठा कर अपने घर की ओर तैरने लगा. Now the tortoise, making the squirrel sit on its back, it started to its home in the middle of this pond. कुछ दूर जाकर कछुए ने समझ लिया कि गिलहरी यहाँ से तो भाग नहीं सकती, तो उसने गिलहरी से कहा. Now after going in the deep of the water, in the middle of the water, the tortoise thought, from here the squirrel will not run anyhow, it cannot jump to the tree. It's better I will say her that what actually my concept is. So he started telling, आज मेरी पत्नी तुम्हारा मांस खाएगी. तुम्हारा मांस खाने से वह भी तुम्हारी तरह तेज दौड़ने लगेगी. अभी वह धीरे धीरे चलती है. Now it said, see, I am taking you to my home. There my wife is going to kill you and eat your flesh. Then whatever the good qualities you have, the speed running and speed jumping, that all qualities my wife is going to get. And from today onwards she will also run very fast, because now she has a habit to walk very slowly. Anyhow we know the tortoise walk very slow, but the squirrels are very fast animals. यह सुनकर गिलहरी हंसने लगी. By listening this, the squirrel started laughing. बोली, यह बात है तो चलो वापस. कछुए ने कहा, पर क्यों? Now squirrel said, oh, this is the thing, that's the reason you have brought me back of you. This is the thing, you take me to home. I forgot one thing. Then the tortoise was little shocked. Why you want me to take you back? Then that squirrel said, क्योंकि मेरी कोटर में गरुड़ पंख रखा है. He said that in the nest of the tree, the hole, the squirrels will live in the hole of the tree, right? So there in the hole of the tree, I kept the wings of the vulture. I have the wings of the vulture, and I will be wearing, whenever I wanted to run fast, I will be wearing it. That's the reason the wings are only giving me the speed to run fast. So better you take those wings to your wife instead of, see, I forgot those wings. If you take me there, I will bring those wings and we will give it to your wife. It have convinced the tortoise. जो भी उस पंख को छू लेता है वह भी मेरी तरह तेज दौड़ने लगता है, गिलहरी ने कहा. So now squirrel was telling, whoever will touch those wings, they will be also get ready. However I walk fast, how much I run fast, that much good qualities and that much speed even that person will be getting. Now कछुए ने कहा, अच्छा ऐसी बात है. Now tortoise said, tortoise was also impressed by this. Oh really? Okay, let's go to your home back. हाँ, अगर तुम मुझे पहले बता देते तो मैं उस पंख को तुम्हें दे देती. Now squirrel is saying, oh, why did not you tell me before this one? If you would have said me that your wife wanted to eat my flesh, because she wanted to grow fast like me, I would have given those wings only to you instead of you taking me there. लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, मैं अभी तुम्हें पंख दे देती हूँ. Now not a problem, but now I am going to go and bring the wings and give it to you. मूर्ख कछुआ गिलहरी की बातों पे आ गया और वापस जामुन के पेड़ की ओर चल पड़ा. Now here the tortoise got in the scam of the squirrel, and it did not think that the squirrel is playing a game with it, and it have turned back, and in the reverse position it went back to the same blackberry tree over there. किनारे के पास पहुंचते ही गिलहरी कूद कर पेड़ पर जा चढ़ी और बोली. After reaching the bank, the corner of the pond, from there it have jumped and it have climbed the tree immediately, very fast, and from there it said, दुष्ट कछुए जाओ और फिर लौट कर मत आना. Now he said, you bloody, not bloody, you are so dirty tortoise, you are not at all my friend, and you go away from here, you should never come, I am not at all your friend from today onwards. It said, shouting. कछुआ लज्जित होकर तालाब के पानी में चला गया. Now the tortoise felt very bad, it felt very ashamed and went deep into the waters. So we should never disobey, or we should never be unloyal to our best friends. All the friends are friends, right children? We should never disown the respect and the trust. If someone is putting the trust, if someone is believing us, we should never break the trust from them. Only for our benefit we should never do, because we don't know, somewhere that person, whoever's trust we are breaking, that person may also attack us in the same way. The interesting lesson we have taken up today. So once again you guys go through the lesson, and in the next class we shall be writing the notes related to this lesson. Okay children, bye bye, take care.